Hello! Chris Quigley is back with a mega upgrade for his shoes.
Got a brand new one.
Okay, Chris Quigley, we get it. We get it that they're fire, but you can stop singing the song. So follow me.
2, 4, 6, doggy kicks.
Hello.
Baby them. The worst cheese. But I still like cheese. It's got wax in it. I think you can eat the wax, but I just don't.
Bro, that is a perfect upgrade. Chris Quigley, I am afraid the App Store has been deleted from my phone, so you cannot go back on the App Store.
Oh. How do you delete the App Store? What happens? Did your entire phone delete?
Correct. So there legally is nothing we can do. I'm sorry.